welcome back to our distance learning program. Alright, so everyone, how was your weekend? And where did you go for your weekend? So thank you so much for your answer. Alright, so in today's section, we are going to focus on grammar point, alright? And I'm going to introduce you a new grammar point in this first section. So the new grammar point is reported speech, alright? So everyone, have you ever learned about reported speech? And have you ever used reported speech in your daily communication? So I believe that in your own language, you usually use reported speech in your daily life, right? And especially in your communication. So when you want to report of someone said something to the other, or when you want to report about what someone said, right, to the other people, you always use reported speech, alright? So for example, I would like to raise up a case this morning with my friends. So this morning my friends called me and she said that she was going to join a birthday party with me tonight. Alright, so everyone, actually this sentence, she said that she was going to join a birthday party with me. So this is we call reported speech. So I report of what my friend said to tell all of you, right? So this is we call reported speech. And her original sentence that she said to me this morning is that I put in a quotation, alright? So I am going to join a birthday party with you tonight. So when I report her words to tell all of you, so I said, my friend said that, or she said that she was going to join a birthday party with me tonight. Alright, so everyone, this is just the introduction of the reported speech. And if you still not have some idea of what is it about, so let's go with me all together, alright? So pay attention everyone, so please go one by one with me so that you can catch up what is reported speech, alright? So everyone, as you can see here, direct speech and reported speech. So this is the original sentence, or this is the original words of that person, alright? So for example, someone said that I put in a quotation here because it is a direct speech, alright? So here, I like tuna fish, right? So here, when you want to report that person words, so you said, she says that she likes tuna fish, alright? So what the difference between this sentence and this sentence? So this sentence we call it direct speech, and this sentence we call it reported speech. And the difference is here, you see, she says, say here, as you can see in the present form, right, that she likes, see here, she likes tuna fish. Alright, so let's skip this one first and look at the next one, alright? So I'm visiting Paris next weekend. So here, she said that she was visiting Paris the following weekend. Alright, so here the difference is here, right? Said past, and this one was visiting. Alright, actually the original sentence, as you can see, they use present continuous. But here, as you can see, she was visiting Paris the following weekend. It is the past continuous. How about here? Why we still use the present simple? But this one, why we use past simple when we report it? Alright, so here, as you can see, the difference is here. Here, if we use that sentence in the present form, she says, so the clause after that, it must be in the present form. But if you report that one in the past, here use past tense, she said, and the clause after that, it must be past as well, alright? So we need to change the present form into the past form. And usually, when we report something, people prefer to use this one, alright? They prefer using this one in the past, alright? She said that, he said that, alright? He told me that. So this is we call reported speech, alright? So everyone, for today's section, I will focus only reported statements. Actually, we have reported questions, reported ordered, or reported requests. All right, but I will introduce you in the next section. All right. So here, reported statement here. Which means that we focus on only the positive sentence and the negative sentence, but we do not talk about questions or requests at all. Alright, so here when you want to report statement, you need to be careful about pronouns, tense, place, and time expression. Alright, so here as you can see right here, she said that, right, so you cannot, she said that I was visiting Paris next weekend at all, but here you need to change the pronoun, right? Here you use I, but if that person is a girl, so you need to use she, right? When you report what she said, all right? So here she said that she was visiting, right? Tense here, so you need to change the tense as well. If you use here the past tense, she said, and the following clause here, you need to use past tense. All right, you need to change from the present continuous to past continuous. And also place, right? Place here, Paris, you keep the same, but here time expression, if you said next weekend, and if you report that sentence, you need to change it to the following weekend. All right, so I will show you more example relating to the reported statement, so that you will have a clearer understanding of the reported statements. All right, so everyone here, the direct speech and reported speech. So direct speech, I am happy. So when you want to report that, you need to say he said that he was happy. All right, so here as you can see, he said that he was happy. All right, so everyone, that here, as you can see, that here it is optional. If you don't want to use that, it also fine. All right, you can say he said he was happy. It's still fine. All right, if you want to cut or if you want to omit that in your sentence. Alright, so everyone here, the original sentence, direct speech, I am happy. When you change it to the reported speech, he said that he was happy. Alright, so here it is in the present tense, right? But here present simple, but when we change it to the reported speech, it became past simple. Alright, and next one, I am looking for my keys. So this one, as you can see, I am looking, right? It is the present continuous, but when you report that speech, you said he said that he was looking for his keys, right? He was looking. So we change from present continuous to what everyone here, was over plus verb ing. It is past continuous, right? Next one, I visited New York last year. All right, so when we change it to reported speech, he said that he had visited. All right, so here visited, it is in the past tense. All right, but here when we change it to the reported speech, he said that he had visited. All right, had visited here, it is the past perfect. So when we use when we want to change the past simple to the reported speech, it became past perfect. He said that he had visited New York the previous year. As you can see here, last year here, we also changed to the time expression to the previous year. All right, so everyone, let's take a look at another example. I live here for a long time. All right, so here I believe that you know already the tense here, it is present perfect. All right, so he said that he had lived there for a long time. All right, so he had lived. So here we change from the present perfect to past perfect. All right, and also next one, they had finished the work when I arrived. All right, so here we use what everyone, past perfect, and then this one past simple. This sentence, as you can see that he arrived and then, but actually they already finished their work already, right, when he arrived. So here when you want to report that sentence to the other, you said he said that they had finished, all right, here had finished the work when he had arrived. All right, so everyone, if we want to report past perfect tense, so it changed to past perfect tense, all right, it's still the same. So here, past progressive, we change it to past perfect progressive, and present perfect progressive, we change it to past perfect progressive, and past perfect progressive, we still change it to past perfect progressive. And also, let's take a look at another one, last one, future simple, will plus be, we change it to conditional would, all right? So here, I will open the door, all right? So someone said that I will open the door. So when you report, when you want to report that what you said, he said that he would open, all right? Here, as you can see, he would open the door. All right, so everyone, again, the reported speech is used when you want to tell someone what the other said, all right, before or earlier. So, and also when you want to use the reported speech, you need to change the tense, all right. For example, if that person use present simple, so when you report his or her word, you need to change it to past simple. Or when they use past continuous, you need to change it to what everyone, past continuous. What is it? We need to change it to past perfect continuous, right? So it is simple like that, right? So as you can see here, this is the form, right, that you can use when you do the exercise, right? So everyone, I believe that right now you can use the reported speech in your communication, especially in English, all right? So everyone, if you want to test your understanding more about reported statements here, you can go to my homework and classwork that I provide to you, all right? So everyone, see you in the next session. Bye bye.